Miss Montello?
Who the hell is this?
You don't know me, but I'm Jason Malone. I'm Paul O'Reilly's cousin, and
Paulie!
he's fine.
He's still with that girl with the lip? Oh no, she got that fixed, didn't she?
Paulie said I could contact you if I ever got into trouble, and I'm in trouble.
Talk to me, sugar. What's the matter?
Shit, Frank!
You talking about Frank Belliano?
He's following me on Fremont. He's gonna fucking kill me! Damn it! I didn't mean to knock him out.
Doesn't matter, kid.
I swear, I didn't mean to...
I'm guessing you're the one who called?
Yeah, yeah.
Come on, let's go.
So, I guess this is the part where I thank you and ask your name and stuff.
No, this is the part where you take this gun and shoot at the assholes behind us while I drive.
My brothers and I used to shoot at dock rats back in Southie.
Right, well, looks like we've got more rats on our tail. It's Karen, by the way.
Huh?
My name, Karen.
Ah, and you work for Miss Montello?
I'm her accountant, among other things. What did you do?
I won a fight I wasn't supposed to win.
That was you?
I didn't mean to knock the bastard out. He just went down.
They are paid off the head. Shoot at it! Shoot at it!